currently on a Sapphire Princess, just about to head off on another cruise, and we've had a lot of people ask us, what do we actually do on a cruise ship? And rather than try to explain it, we thought we'd just show you. So stay tuned and we'll show you a little snapshot of life on board. On board you have a little mailbox at each cabin door. Any information that you need to get will be put here. So looks like we've got some for this cruise. I'll take it and have a look what it is. Alright, so here's our mail. I'm going to go through it now and see what goodies we have. Lots in here. Now, these are our excursions. When you book an excursion, you can do it on your own or through the ship. We do it through Princess because it's peace of mind. That way, if the coach was delayed getting back from the tour, the ship won't sail without us. So these are quite a good way to do it. They tell you where we need to meet, tell you what time. When we go down to meet, they'll just then take us onto our coach and off we'll go. So that's a very simple system. So that's that. What else we got? Okay, this is just a treasure hunt. When you're first on the ship, you have some places to find. You get a stamp for each place you find. You put it into a little a draw box and then you could win $1,000, but we don't worry about doing it. And then we have a special invitation for our Elite, Suite and Platinum guests. We're Platinum now, fortunately. And that's just a schedule of when we can go and hang out with all the others, if we want. Fine arts. So they've got a lot of artwork on the ship. They've got a big gallery and they're always having some kind of show going on. So they tell us everything we can get. And the rest is all information on every port we're going to go to. So they give you details on what time we'll be in Paris, for example, and we get good walking mats. So we often do it on our own, and that's very helpful. And Princess Patter. Now this is really valuable. We get one of these every night. On the front it tells you what the journey was overnight, so how fast we sailed, how far we've come, etc. On the inside we have a schedule of everything that's going on from early in the morning right till late at night, and everything's bumping from about 6 AM to midnight, and there's always a lot to do. So we look at this every day and decide what we'd like to do. So that's it really. Lots of information, and we check our mailbox every day because anything happening will be noted in there.
Yeah.
I'm in the ship's laundry. Depending on how long you're cruising, you may or may not want to wash. I tend to wash about once a week, and I do it on a sea day when we're not going ashore. Not all ships have laundries, but Princess do. You can pay to get your washing done, but we just like doing ours. There are washer and dryer systems set up. You don't need any money, just use your cruise card and slot it through for tokens. I bought my own laundry powder, but this is where you can get anything from soap, your bleachers, your softeners, and it's all on here. You pop your token in and a box drops out the bottom if you want one of these. But I bought my own stuff, like I said. I'm just going to get some tokens for the machine now, so if you watch what I do, just touch the screen to start, pick that I want English. So I want one for the dryer and the washer because I already have one. So push one, purchase now, and then I just slide my card through, like so. Right, so we load it, shut the door, token goes in, pop it in, hit the fabric wash you want, 40 minutes for the wash, and then another token gives you 40 minutes to dry, and everything dries well.
story is just towards the top there. You can see it.
We discovered that Nelson didn't really start rising to glory until quite late in his life.
I'll monitor that clock as you go. And to reiterate the clock.
For your afternoon trivia, we're gonna get question number 1. Which Walt Disney film has the feature song "I Want to Be Like You"?
Sapphire Princess.
Best buffaloes around.
Giant buffalo!
Oh.
Giant buffalo!
Very good, very good.
Number 4, whose queen is down the middle, trying to go with the water tightly bunched field. A double for number 2. House Philip travels about just nose of the head. And 3 good 8.
On board the Princess ships, you also have a salon called the Lotus Spa, and here you can have massages, pedicures, manicures, you can get your hair done, and I'm going to get my hair done today. I get another cruise this day.
The props are in.
Oh, wait, we're off.
Yeah,